Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know who created a Google form. Google Forms is a collaborative tool that allows multiple users to edit and contribute to a form. But sometimes, especially in shared environments like teams, organization, or classroom, you may want to know who created a particular form. Whether you're trying to track down the original author or gain insights into the form's setup, Google Forms provides a few ways to find out who created a form. Where it's not immediately obvious, there's a few simple methods to figure out the creator of a Google form. Now, in this video tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. The first step is to check the owner in the form's URL. Now, if you have access to the form you've been given to the link, check the URL of the form. Now we're going to do that by going to forms.google.com, and we're going to choose as an example this one. We're going to click on publish, I share, and we're going to click on the share button. Let's refresh, click on publish, click on publish. Let's copy the link. After the link is copied in the dashboard, you can see the URL right here. Now, if the link ends with something like edit, look at the owner's email in the address bar. The creator's email is typically included in the URL. Now, however, this method only applicable if you have edit access to the form. The second step is to look at the form's owner in Google Drive. Now, if you have the form in your Google Drive, right click on the forms file and select view details, and in the details section you can see the owner's name. This is typically the person who created the form. As for the third step, check the form's sharing settings. If you have view access to the forms, click on the three dots at the top right corner and choose manage form. The owner's name may appear in the settings or permission section, especially if it's shared with the other collaborator. As for the fourth step, you can ask the administrator. Now, if you're working within an organization or Google Workspace and you can't identify the creator from the form itself, you can ask the admin or someone with elevated privileges. Admins often have the ability to see the file's ownership across all forms in the organization. And for the fifth and final step, you can check the activity log. Now, in the Google Workspace, admins can access Google Drive activity logs, which can show who created, edited, or shared the form. And if you have admin access, this is another way to identify the form's creator. And that's it for today's tutorial. Identifying who created a Google Forms may not always be straightforward, especially in shared environments. However, by checking the form's URL, viewing the Google Forms details, and looking at the form's sharing settings, or asking an admin in Google Workspace, you can determine the creator of any Google form. Understanding who created the form is especially helpful in collaboration or managing multiple forms within teams or organizations. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.